Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a chrome set. This set was very easy and didn't take me long to do at all. I've already applied my Gel-X nail tips. If you want to see how I do my Gel-X application, you can go and check out some of my other videos that I have on my channel. So right now I'm just adding my base color, which is a custom made color that I made. I just mixed together a few different colors and I got this. Also, don't forget to wipe off the tacky layer with acetone after you cure the nail. I ended up doing 3 coats of this gel polish because of how sheer it was. So this was after the first coat. This is after the second coat. And this is after the third coat. I decided to do a white French with a glitter outline for my pinky and my pointer finger, so I'm just going to do the white French, which is what I'm doing right now. And then you're going to see me take a liner brush and dip it in some silver glittery gel, and I'm going to outline the white French.
Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more, I can keep on without you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you could learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more. See, my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. No more.
I also decided to do my thumb the same way that I did my pinky and pointer finger. So now I'm doing the silver chrome nail. So the reason why I am using black gel polish is because black gel polish allows the color of the chrome to pop more. So I did a black Frenchie, and then you're gonna see me apply the chrome powder to it.
In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that.
Once I was done doing my French, I only cured the nail for 30 seconds.
But I love when we make up like that.
Now I am applying the chrome powder, and what I did was I took an eyeshadow applicator and I just applied it to the black French. It is a little messy, and I'm still learning how to isolate my chrome powder to only the place that I want it to be. So it was a little messy, but it takes nothing but a little bit of acetone to clean it up.
The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no.
You want to make sure to brush off any excess chrome powder before you apply your top coat, because you don't want the chrome powder to ruin your top coat. For my middle finger, I didn't know what to do, so I just decided to draw some random lines, and then I'm also doing this as chrome. So I'm doing the same thing that I did to my ring finger with the chrome French, but just not a French tip, and instead some lines.
But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
I also only cure this finger for 30 seconds like I did the ring finger.
You maybe we can go like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was you, it would be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just felt like that. Yeah, maybe we just felt like that.
This is how the nails turned out. I hope you guys like them. Please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.